Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Xero AI for automated invoicing workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Xero AI for automated invoicing workflows, start by logging into your Xero account. Navigate to the main dashboard after logging in. Locate the Settings option in the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Settings to open the configuration options. In the Settings menu, find and select Advanced Settings. Within Advanced Settings, look for API and Third-Party Connections. Click on API and Third-Party Connections to proceed. You will see an option for Xero AI or Automated Workflows. Select the option to activate Xero AI features. Read through the activation details, ensuring you understand permissions. Once ready, click on the Activate button. You may need to verify your decision through a confirmation prompt. After confirming, return to the dashboard. Now, proceed to set up your invoicing rules. Go to the Invoices section from the main menu. In the Invoices section, look for Automated Workflows or a similar option. Click on this option to open the Workflow Setup interface. Define your invoicing criteria, including customer details and amounts. Specify how frequently you want invoices to be generated. Review your settings to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, save your workflow. Xero AI will now begin to automate your invoicing based on the defined criteria. You can monitor your automated invoices in the Invoices section. If you need to make adjustments, return to the automated workflow settings anytime. Regularly check for updates on Xero AI features to enhance your invoicing process. This completes the activation of Xero AI for automated invoicing workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.